Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about those of you who are new boaters. Maybe this is your first boat. Come on with the camera real quick here, we'll talk about this. A lot of people that have never owned a boat before, or maybe you just bought a brand new boat, maybe this isn't your first boat, they're going to ask the question, what are the things that I'm going to need to make my boat ready for the water? Kind of the basics. So today in this video, we're going to talk about the commissioning kit, the items that are included in the commissioning kit, and how JetBoatPilot's commissioning kit stands out from the rest. Let's do it. Let's climb on board. I'll show you what we got. So some of the basics that you're going to need to get your boat water ready are going to be life jackets, a throwable PFD, some bumpers, some dock lines, and maybe like a whistle or a first aid kit. What we've done is JetBoatPilot has partnered with West Marine, and we've brought in the components that we feel like are a really great value, and we've added our fishbone fenders into this kit because the fishbone has so many advantages over traditional fenders. So let's talk about what's inside. First off, in order to be legal, you're going to always have to have a throwable PFD regardless of how many people you have on the boat. All right, that's included in the kit. Nice West Marine brand. Next, a 4-pack of your traditional basic PFD. This is something that we use kind of as a backup PFD, but you're going to have this in case you have extra people coming on board one day. A lot of you are going to have those really nice jackets for skiing or tubing or wakeboarding, but having a 4-pack is a good basic. It's always good to carry these somewhere in your storage, so that's included with the kit as well. You're going to have 4 half-inch braid, 15-foot long dock lines. These are some of the best in the business that I have seen. Braid is my favorite. It's super durable, long-lasting, and it's black, so they look great. You're going to have your whistle. You need to have some kind of noise-making device on the boat, and also a first aid kit. It's a basic kit, but it's good to have a first aid kit. We include that with your kit. And finally, your fishbone fenders. It's going to come with 2. This kit's deeply discounted, so you can actually experience the fishbone at a discounted price buying them in a kit like this. We recommend typically 4 of these fishbones, but 2 is a great starting point. You can get familiar with them. We'll put a link in the description below for this commissioning kit. You can find it below. And if you have questions, feel free to ask us. Love to answer any questions you might have for us. We appreciate you watching this video. And by the way, if you like this video, check this one out.